Hey everybody, here's an update and something that was a surprise. Look down there. There's 4 kittens that the neighborhood stray cat had. So we're making sure they're at least protected and taken care of now, but hopefully they'll be going to a good home soon. But just wanted to kind of show you that. Anyways, the update here are the Jamaican hibiscus. You can see here that we've gone ahead to plant them like we always done for the last couple years. Here they are. We also put these cages around them because there's rabbits in the area that a couple years ago they ate them when they were this small. So we planted them, and I even got extra in case they do get eaten. But you can see we planted them like we always do. Same place, we got the irrigation. I would have liked to have gotten these in April, maybe earlier May, but I'm a little behind. Anyways, just to give you an update here of that. And I also had to amend my irrigation since the cat is taking care of the kittens there. I can't turn on the hose, it'll get them all wet. So I put this on off switch so I can temporarily close out that zone. But hopefully we will have the progress we always have with the Jamaican hibiscus, and that's where they get really big, really fast. By October, we're harvesting the pods and flowers to make tea and jellies, and we start the process all over again. So a little late, but here we are, and we're ready to go. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Hey everybody, here's another update for you. So the freeze we had, how much did it kill? Well, it killed things at the above ground level, but below ground, everything's coming back. So the elephant ears are coming back, and these yellow flowers, I forget what they're called, but they keep coming back. We just don't understand why they're all yellow. We wish they would have had more colors when we planted them. There's angels trumpets, the cardoon, these flowers here, some empty spaces, and some more elephant ears. So they're all coming back. Even the carnations here coming back. So yeah, along the front, it's not like we really had to plant new stuff, as most of the old stuff just keeps coming back. So it's, you know, spring has sprung, as they say. So here's just another quick update from the front of the house here. Some more in front of the house, more elephant ears getting bigger, rose bushes, elephant ears coming back, and this little decorative thing here we put in the ground. It's kind of neat. You know, it'll move around when it's windy and that, kind of a little decoration. So front of the house, it's just got a few plants, looking not too shabby. Alrighty, talk to you later.